Welcome back. Let's do team points and driver points so we can understand for next race, the last race, Abu Dhabi, why this is so critical. This is one fan's opinion. So this is going to be a short video, which I'm sure you're glad for. All right, let's do this. Let's do team points. So we already know that McLaren has won the constructors' points, but this is the breakdown. 10th place, Alpine, 22 points. 9th place, Kick Sauber, 68 points. 8th place, Haas, F1 team, 73 points. 7th, Aston Martin, 80 points. 6th place, Racing Bull, 92 points. 5th place, Williams, 137 points. 4th place, Ferrari, 382 points. 3rd place, Red Bull Racing, 426 points. 2nd place, Mercedes, 459 points. And 1st place, McLaren, with 800 points. We knew that a few months ago. All right, we will do the driver's points, but we're going to start in 7th place for now. 7th place, you have Antonelli with 150 points. 6th place, Hamilton with 152 points. 5th place, Leclerc with 230 points. 4th place, Russell with 309 points. Third place. Now this is where it gets interesting. Piastri with 392 points. 2nd place, Max Verstappen with 396 points. And 1st, Lando Norris with 408 points. So you can see it's pretty tight across those three. It's going to be tight. Who do you have down below? Let me know. This was one fan's opinion.